We're in charge of recovery and launching of the aircraft, along with servicing of fluids. We do operational checks. We make sure tires are serviced, the aircraft is clean and always mission capable. We also go ahead and troubleshoot components. We remove and replace faulty components as well. And once the aircraft lands, we do what's called a basic post-flight inspection. And that basically is making sure there's no leaks on the aircraft, make sure everything's working fine and correctly for the next launch. And that's how we maintain this fleet. Constant operational checks, constant inspections, things of that nature. Well, here in Northern Strike, our main goal is to drop munitions back in Sierra Vista where we are located. That's not something we typically do, so it's something very exciting that we look forward to doing here in Alpena. Well, for somebody who's trying to get into maintenance as a whole, especially for the MQ-9, we're going to need somebody who's very driven, who's very attention to detail oriented. Somebody has to be very flexible. Things change on a dime. They can change from 1 minute to the next with this aircraft. We're out here just really trying to make a good name for ourselves, have a good reputation. I'm Technical Sergeant Jorge Gallego, Crew Chief for the 214th Attack Group, also known as the Launch Recovery Element, based out of Fort Huachuca, Sierra Vista, Arizona.